Introducing Luba, your perimeter wire-free robot lawnmower. Setup is easy. Just walk with Luba to set. Hassle-free virtual boundaries. RTK allows for centimeter-level accuracy. Mow the perfect lawn faster and more efficiently. Cut more grass at once using large dual cutting plates. Luba can handle rugged terrain without getting stuck. Suspension arms improves ground gripping. In-wheel motors allow for powerful torque. Luba can climb even the steepest slopes. For large properties, mow multiple lawns, automatically traversing between different mowing zones. Using 4 ultrasonic sensors, Luba can detect obstacles in its way and automatically pass around them. Luba is built to withstand the toughest weather conditions. To avoid cutting wet grass, Luba returns home until the rain stops and continues mowing where it left off. Cleaning is a breeze. Your lawn is right at your fingertips. Choose where and when not to mow, and how you want your lawn cut. After a long day at work, Luba automatically returns home to recharge. So say goodbye to mowing and hello to enjoying life.